All right guys, Sam with Hiner Outdoor Living here. Today we've got another how-to video. I know you guys are used to seeing me in the office working on designs and stuff, but really fun day. Today we are out here at one of our projects we installed last year. Gorgeous backyard pond, and we are getting some aquatics installed. So we just wanted to do a quick video on how to install aquatic plants. Very similar to your terrestrial and landscape plants, but ever so slightly different. So let's go ahead and dive in. We've already got them placed out in the location we want to, so now we just need to get that installed. So to start, we're gonna just get this pot moved out from where we've got it placed. We know we want that as our location. Then all I'm gonna do is dig down into the base of this pond. It's a varying size of native river granite and small cobble, so it's really easy to move and maneuver. And all we're looking to do is create a little bit of a pile. I'm gonna pull all that back and create that good planting area for this guy. Once we've got our hole prepped, we're going to squeeze around the edges of this plastic pot. That's gonna loosen up that root ball and allow us to get it out easier so we can get it in the water. Get this guy turned upside down, being careful of the foliage. Again, just lightly pinching and squeezing this pot here till we get that off. Then we're gonna take it, set it in the hole that we just dug. Take our rock we just moved to the side. Get all of that placed back around. And once we've got that rock placed back around, that guy's ready to go in its new home. It is going to love this space. It's going to start growing and thriving, and now it's just ready to do that. I know it's hard to see a little bit of that just due to the muddiness and the murkiness of the water. So we're going to check back here in about 5-10 minutes once this water settles, so you guys can really see what that final product is and what that looks like. All right guys, so the water has cleared up. Now we can show you guys what the final results look like now that that murkiness has settled. If we look down here, you can see that we've got our nice stalks coming out of those rocks. We can see just a tiny bit of that soil, but largely it looks as if I was never here. I didn't plant it, and it was the same rock bed as when it was here, just with a little extra color, vibrancy, and texture to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to have more coming of kind of field installation and just really broadening our how-to series. We want to get it out of just design only and kind of show you guys what we do day to day and the little tips and tricks that we've learned along the way. So hit that like button and that subscribe button below. Stay tuned. We've got a bunch more coming. I don't know what's coming next week, but you know, I'm sure it's going to be good for you guys. Let us know what you thought, and thank you for following along.